Get what they tell you. So the Israelis waiting for that place. No, say equally 1,000,000%. Say that land no belong to who? No belong to those Ishmaelites. No belong to their Hagarims. No belong to that Edomite. So now make there will be always fight between the sons of Ishmael, between these two groups of people. They fight against each other for the land will not belong to them. Who did that promise go to? The Most High said his promise is going to be through Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Saying go give them that land forever. So now, if the people whether they call the Hagarims, the Ishmaelites, and the Edomites, now they fight against light, then they fight with the white people, the Khazarians waiting for that place. Now, trying to let you know, say this one, no, say the Ishmaelites, they know say the land no belong to the Khazarians waiting for that place. Now the Khazarians waiting for that place, the Israelis waiting for that place. Now equally no say that land no belong to the to these them people waiting for to the Edomites waiting for that place too. So now two of them go they get clashes. Why? Because both of them, all of them know say that land no belong to each of them. So now now since both of them know say that land no belong to them, who can own that land? They don't keep the people the actual owners of that land. They don't keep them in darkness, so that those people no go even know say that land belongs to them. And who be the people will help keep these people in darkness, so that the people will get that land no go know say that that land belongs to them. The people will perpetrate this thing. I be those people who I don't give you the instance of them, the tabernacle of Edom, the Ishmaelite of Moab, and the Hagarims, and all these people. Now the people what they call the Saudis today. Now when you see those people waiting for the Saudi Arabian area, now those people now and the Hagarims, if you check all those people what they call the Hagarims, now the people will come from the loins, from the what? From the loins, from the line, from this line of the loins of who? Of the Hagarims. That is Hagarims. Now the housemaid of who? Of Abraham. Where we say when he born Ishmael with. After he born Ishmael, he can still born that's the Hagarims, you know. So now those people now then be the people where we say they perpetrate this evil of doing what of keeping the children of Israel in darkness, and so that the children of Israel no go even know who them be. No go know say that piece of land, that land where they don't fight for every year belong to their ancestors. Yes, now from that place, now the Romans invaded our ancestors, can't chase us go to the place where they call waiting Africa. So as we go inside Africa, we can scatter in different parts of what? Africa. And from that place, they know the Romans, all military powers, they still trace us, come within they call the west coast of Africa and different parts of Africa to come enslave our people. Why? Because they know exactly who we be. So with me, I tell you, say it is high time that our people start doing waking up. So today I was titled the main title of this topic. They say now it is time for Judah to do to rise out of their sleep and slumberness. So today we are going to dig deep. I'm going to show you that everything when you see they happen for Middle East, they happen there for a reason. Why? Because the children of Israel, the time don't reach, made them do made them rise from out of their sleep and slumberness, you know, because the Most High don't do it, don't start to wake us up. And there's no how when we wake up, you know, the whole world is going to crumble. Why? Because everything was being built out of the ignorance of the Yahudim, out of the ignorance of the children of Israel. So now follow with me in the book of what? In the book of Joel, I want to show you what our Heavenly Father said to the people we don't do it, we don't perpetrate this evil to us, to the people we don't do it, we don't keep the sons of Jacob, we don't keep the children of Israel in darkness all this while, to the people we help perpetrate all this evil, you know, because our Heavenly Father is going to bring judgment upon all the nations we don't do it, we don't enslave us, we don't use us, and He's going to return us back to our rightful place, you know, so that all these wars where they hear, where they see they go on, no go do it, no go happen again. So today I want to make you open with me in the book of in the book of Joel chapter number 3 from verse 1. It says, "For behold, in those days and in that time, when I shall bring again the captivity of Yehudah and Jerusalem, I will also gather all nations, and I will bring them down into the valley of Jehoshaphat, and I will plead with them there for my people and for my heritage Israel, whom they have scattered among all the nations." So now he gave people we don't do it, we don't scatter us, another same people. Now them be the people we do it, we scatter us, we be say we didn't take us as nothing today, you know, because if you see the way we didn't treat you as a black person now, the way we didn't take you as a dark man, they don't regard you as nothing, they don't regard you as equality with any other person. They demean you so much low that even massive they don't regard you as nothing. So within the Most High they talking, and say, behold, and it shall be at that day and at that time when I shall again bring the captivity of Judah. Say, Ingo bring now, Ingo bring to the remembrance of the people the captivity of Judah. Waiting they don't do the Yahudim, waiting these people don't plan against the, waiting they don't do the Yahudim during the time of 70 AD, before the 70 AD evil. So now say Ingo bring again the captivity of Judah, and he will do it in, and Ingo assemble all the nations into waiting, a place where they call waiting the valley of Jehoshaphat. Ingo bring with him there, Ingo plead with the people, and Ingo bring judgment unto all the people. We don't do waiting, we don't use the children, the sons of Jacob, and Ingo bring judgment against the people. We don't use the children of Israel. Those people will be saying, when you see in the book of waiting, in the book of Psalm chapter 83, we be say they don't conspire against the sons of Jacob, and the people will be saying they help perpetrate those evil as they talk to you. So now the Most High is going to do it. He's saying he will bring judgment upon them. Read verse 3. It says, and they have cast lot for my people. They have cast lots. Yeah, they don't regard us as nothing. So he said, and have given a boy for a harlot, and sold a girl for a wine, that they might drink. During this time, during the time of slavery, they did everything with our people. You go see the way they maltreat our people. You go see the way when they take them into slavery. You go see the way when they say they take small picking them. They will sell them, to make money with them, and all these things. So they sold boys for harlot during the time of what? Slavery, and so many things we didn't do. Now in verse 4, it tells us something. It says, yea, and what have you to do with me, O Tyre and Zidon, and all the coast of the Palestinians? So now in the ask them, in the ask these people, in the ask these people will be saying them sell us. In the ask these them people will be saying now them take us into what? Now them perpetrate that evil to hide the knowledge of the children of Israel from them. Those people will perpetrate evil against us. He say, oh, and what have you to do with me, O Tyre and Zidon? Now and in the coast of Palestine. So that is to let you know where these people they in majority. That is to let you know the people will perpetrate that evil against the sons of Jacob. I mean the seed line of the Hagarenes, the Edomites, and the Ishmaelites. Now internet us, what have you got to do with me, oh Tyre and Zidon? So that is the people will live in that part of the area. Those people will conspire against the children of Israel. Those people will come together to plan something in their secret places against the children of Israel. The Most High said something here. He said, and what have you to do with me, oh Tyre and Zidon, and all the coast of the Palestinian at that place? Now where they see what they happen for that place now. That place all is the land of what? Of the children of Israel. So now in the dead on all the coast of Palestine. And now them, all of them, will be saying, and them be the people, will be saying, they perpetrate that evil. The Palestinian people, now them be the Moabites, now them be the what? The Ishmael, the Hagarenes. Now still that place, now they do it, now they involve very vast majority of them, the Saudis area. And in that area, the Hagarenes, the Moabites, and the Ishmaelites, all those areas, now they do it, now they accumulate the same. I have with me all the coast of Palestine. Will you render me a recompense? And if you recompense me swiftly and speedily, will I return unto you your own head? Because you have taken my silver and my gold. So these people, they stole the silver from the temple of the Most High after the destruction of what? After these people, they destroyed the temple of the Most High. Now they stole what? Now they go there, go do it, and go thief many things. We be say we they precious from what? From the temple. Come carry and come put for their these places. So now within the Most High they talk, he say, because you have taken my silver and my gold and have carried it into your temples, my goodly, pleasant things. So because they don't destroy the temple of the Most High, that time we don't flee. Our ancestors don't flee from there, can't come out. So now they can't come, the Romans can't enter. Them they can't enter, can't go steal the precious things we belong to what? To our ancestors, to our Heavenly Father. So now those precious things where our people used to worship the Heavenly Father, that our Heavenly Father had just cherished so much. So now they go and they took it to their temples. You get what they happen there. So now as they take them, now our people still already there in captivity when all these things they happen. People get the knowledge of what me and they tell you now. People open your eyes, because the Most High is raising me up to raise and wake people up. Our people, the tribe of Yehuda, and the people who believe in the Messiah. So now it says in verse 5, it says, because you have taken my silver and my gold and have carried them into the temple, into your temples, my goodly pleasant things. The children also, now listen what happened. He said, the children also of Judah and the children of Jerusalem have you sold unto the Grecians, that you might remove them far away from their borders. So see something here. So these same people will steal precious things from the temple of the Most High. Now the same people will sell the children of Israel from waiting for to the Grecians. So these people now then be the actual people will perpetrate something evil against the children of what? Israel, the sons of Jacob. And now these same people now them carry these precious things of the Most High, can't go do waiting, can't go put them for inside their temples. So now the Most High is doing waiting, is about to bring judgment into those people. So now it already started to bring judgment to these people. Why? Because these people now then be the people we do waiting, we carry our people. We carry our people into waiting, into slavery, and sold us into the Grecians. The Grecians are the Europeans. Now that time, now be people, the Europeans, the white people now. So now that time, now the Caucasians now. Now during that time, now they waiting the Moabites, the Palestinians, and the other nations, we be say the Ishmaelites and other nations will come together. Now in them, now they can't take our people, can't do waiting, can't sell them to the Grecians. And after they don't sell our people to the Grecians, now they do waiting, now they can't carry waiting, can't carry the things of the Most High to can't carry and go put for their what? For their temples. Imagine what thing they happen there. So now, what is the Most High is going to do? The Most High now they bring the judgment. Now in they call every nation now, and they bring them back down to the valley of Jehoshaphat, so that Ingo feel do waiting, Ingo feel proclaim judgment upon them all. So now in see waiting in verse 8, in verse 7 it says, behold, I will raise them out of the places where you have sold them. Aha, somebody get it. Somebody get the word here now. I'm talking to somebody that has, that is willing to accept within the happen, So now it say in verse 7, it say, behold, I will raise them out of the places where you have sold them. So our people now, they don't sell them in different parts of the world. And today our people are rising up from the waiting to the truth of what is really the do waiting to the happen. And because of that truth, the whole truth waiting to happen, the whole knowledge of the truth waiting to happen now make the world where you see say the world they turn upside down. Why? Because the actual people, the people what they call the children of Israel now, don't they wake up from the slumberness, and the moment when they not start to wake up, the whole world has to crumble. Why? Because everything we used to see around the world was being built and build them out of the ignorance of waiting of the children of waiting Israel. Why? Because the children of Israel, they blind of waiting they happen. Because of that, they capitalize on waiting on their ignorance. Can't use their ignorance, they do so many things. But now when we say the children of Israel don't they wake up,